this will be the start of the mini flag raising ceremony. And it's very timely na we are celebrating the PNP Ethics Day just to show ng ating organisasyon, the Philippine National Police, we give recognition and awards to deserving personnel of the PNP. Sinabi nga nila, this is an Ethics Day, public service is a public trust.
Serbisyong sinasa puso para lang sa bayan.
To our awardees, congratulations and my deepest appreciation to each one of you. Kamu ang inungdan, sa mo ang inspirasyon o motivation sa pagtrabaho. Kaya kung tanaw ninyo, ang ilang mga awards, dili naman kinalan buhaton, pero ilang ginabuhat because of the good deeds, because of the values na natunan nato sa ato ang serbisyo.
Naglilingkod, makadiyos, makabayan, makatao at makakalikat.
We have shown through your actions that integrity and discipline are not just ideals, but daily commitments, even in the face of challenges. Your achievements remind us that we do what is right, even when no one is watching. We help shape a stronger PNP. When the team integridad at disiplina, pundasyon at ng serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman tungo sa bagong PNP, para sa bagong Pilipinas, we are reminded that integrity and discipline are the bedrock of public trust. When every police officer stands firm in values and serves with a sincere heart, service becomes swift, honest, and genuinely felt by the people. In this spirit, we continue to build a new PNP, ready to face the challenges of our time and to serve with excellence and compassion for a better Philippines. On that note, let me close with this quote from Eleanor Roosevelt: "It is not fair to ask of others what you are not willing to do yourself." Daghang salamat, mayabutang sa tuwang tanan, and we all have a wonderful week ahead.
Kailangan